So, Edifier, they've burst onto the true wireless earbuds scene really well. Very highly rated, very nice sounding products. Know a few people that have used a couple of their devices before now. What they're doing here is offering the lowest price for some real, true, active noise cancelling wireless earbuds. Are they any good though? I'm going to tell you. Welcome back, guys. So let's start with build quality. These are a metallic finish on the actual earbuds. They do protrude from your ears just a little bit, which I will show you when I'm showing you how when they comfort and things like that. But they're a metallic and they're non-scratch, so that's a real big bonus. So when you put these down, you haven't got to worry about the paint flicking away or anything like that. So yeah, really nice touch when it comes to putting scratch resistance on there. Like I say, they're a metallic finish, so they look really good. They have an industrial design to them. Really smart. The case as well is also, it's actually anodized aluminium, whatever you want to call it, wherever you are in the world. And that's non-fade. So really well-built package. When it comes to the package on this and the build quality of it, the whole thing, it screams quality. It really does. And especially at the price point, it's fantastic. It also comes with a variety of rubber tips, your cable for charging, things like that. So with a variety of tips, that way you can ensure that you're going to get the best fit for you. Because remember, everybody's different. Don't just pull them out of the box and throw them in your ears. Make sure you get the right seal, because that will also help with noise cancellation. Not that it matters so much with these, but it will also matter when it comes to sound quality. The right tip is everything when it comes to earbuds. You could have the best sounding earbuds in the world, but if you're using a tip that doesn't have a good seal, they're going to sound garbage. So make sure you get the right tip and you're going to get some premium audio quality out of this. When it comes to features with these things I think are packed for what you're paying for. So you get active noise cancelling, real active noise cancelling. A lot of people or a lot of cheap headphones say, oh, we've got active noise cancelling and blah, blah, but they don't really. It's, you know, just do something with the volume. These have real active noise cancelling, and that comes from AMS. They're like a industry leader when it comes to this kind of thing. So they've got for real active noise cancelling. They also have the Qualcomm chip in there, the latest Qualcomm chip, and what this does, it's low power, great connection with Bluetooth 5.0, lets you wander around and have a solid connection whatsoever, 30 feet away. I've done that maybe in a house with a couple of walls. It's maybe about 25, but really good. But the other thing about the Qualcomm chip inside these Edifier earbuds is the fact that you get 11 hours battery life. They have matched the more expensive Galaxy Buds Plus when it comes to battery life. Now, that's with active noise cancelling off. With active noise cancelling on, they're equaling the Sony WF-1000s XM3. They're getting, for me, I was getting between 6 and 7 hours. And then with the case on top of that, you can get a total of 33 hours, which bests the Galaxy Buds Plus, where they only have one 11-hour boost. These have an extra 22 hours. So battery life on these is fantastic. They also charge via USB-C, which is nice, one cable for everything. They also have Ambient Mode, which for me is the most important thing on earbuds. Ambient Mode is where it allows sound to pass through your earbuds and lets you more aware of your surroundings. So if you need to hear for people talking to you or shouting you or a phone ringing or just anything in general, you need to be more alert of your surroundings, Ambient Mode has you covered there. Great feature. It's nice to see it on this. Another feature is IPX4 rated. So, alright, they're not going to be able to go in the pool or the shower or anything like that, but what they are good for is sweat and like light rain, things like that. So if you're working out or going for a jog, something like that, you don't have to worry about it. IPX4 will have you covered there, so you're not going to ruin them. So when it comes to sound, these things offer a really well-balanced audio experience. I was quite surprised, really. They do have a punchy bass. They use a 13mm graphene driver for this, and it does come through. It's a nice punchy bass. The mids are really nice, and the vocals and everything come through great. The highs also come through very, very clear. There's nothing scratchy about it. You don't have to think, you know, some earbuds, you put them in and the highs are that high, it's like, ooh, and you have to turn them down. Now, these are really well balanced out of the box. I was very impressed with the audio quality of these. So overall, this is a great package. They just scream premium all the way throughout them, from the earbuds themselves to the case that they come in. They also have an app, and they do have app integration, but the app isn't finished just yet. But it does allow you to connect and control the active noise cancelling and ambient mode. But do beware that it isn't finished yet. It needs to be fleshed out a little more. Edifier will let me know this, and I'm looking forward to seeing the finished version of the app. It will make them better again. But yeah, great sound, really detailed sound. The package screams quality when it comes to the earbuds and the case and the battery life. Active noise cancelling and ambient mode, all at around $100. Anywhere from, I think they're on sale right now for $99 at Edifier, maybe on Amazon too. They're also, normal price for these is $129. So these are a bargain. So if you need true wireless earbuds that have ambient mode and active noise cancelling with great battery life and a really detailed sound, you ain't going to go wrong with these. Don't go for your Sonys that are $250. These are less than half the price right now. You'll be mad not to go with them. Alright guys, I'll be back with you with another review really soon. Thanks.